In this video, we're going to have a look at the second of Microsoft's new Excel certifications. Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. So currently, there are two sets of certifications for Microsoft Excel, the Specialist one, MO-200 or 210, and the Expert one, MO-201 or 211. In Q4 of 2025, Microsoft is due to launch two new Excel certifications, and this is one of them, the MO-230 Excel for Business Finance Associate. So this validates your ability to use Microsoft Excel to manage and forecast financial data, perform calculations, and generate reports for financial analysis. So it's ideal for you if you want to pursue a role as a financial analyst or in other finance-related positions. Now, why might you want to do that? In a previous video, I talked about how saying that you have the skills is not quite the same as Microsoft saying that you have the skills. But let me give you another reason in this video. In the Pearson VUE value of IT certifications, you'll see that 32% reported that they increased their salary since taking the exam. This may be 6 to 12 months after taking their exams. 63% received or expected a job promotion after certification, and 82% gained confidence to explore and pursue new job opportunities. There are also benefits for organizations as well in having your employees certified. So, what are the requirements of the MO-230 exam? Well, if I scroll down, you can see that they are categorized into four main sections: prepare financial data for analysis, perform financial analysis, perform loan and investment analysis, and create financial forecasts. And if I scroll down further, you can see the skills outline. However, I prefer to go to the Certiport Pearson VUE page that you can see on the screen and go to Excel for Business Finance Associate. Now, if you click on Exam Languages, you'll see that this exam is due to be launched in Q4 of 2025. And if we go back to this Microsoft page, you'll see that this exam is not yet available, but it will be released soon. So I believe it will be available by the end of the year. Now, if I go back to this page, I can also click on the exam objectives. And I'll click on download and open this file. And this gives exactly the same requirements as on the Microsoft web page, but a lot better formatted, I think. It also gives a bit more about this exam and who it is for. So let's have a look and see what you would need for this exam. First of all, under Perform Financial Analysis, you will need to import and export data, clean it, that includes removing duplicate data and deleting or hiding rows or columns, verify financial data integrity, so applying data validation rules and protecting workbooks, worksheets, and cells, and transforming financial data using text and date functions, splitting a single column, and using fill features to extend series and patterns. Now, if I scroll down, perform financial analysis includes analyze horizontally and vertically together with calculating variance from budget, analyze statements, so preparing metrics, analysis, and financial ratios together with time value of money calculations, and identify and correct errors, including using formula auditing features. Under Perform Loan and Investment Analysis, you'll be creating loan amortization schedules and analyzing loan scenarios. You'll also be calculating bond prices and yields and creating stock valuation models. Finally, you'll be creating financial forecasts. You'll be creating a forecast sheet, preparing financial projections, and presenting financial information visually using dashboards and charts. One thing in particular is applying what-if analysis, and you can do that elsewhere in this curriculum. For example, you can analyze loans and use a what-if analysis to say, So what should the percentage rate be if I only want to pay this much interest? Now, in the previous video, I talked about the MO-220 exam, which again is new, which is Excel for Accounting Associate. So what is the difference between the Excel for Accounting Associate and the Excel for Business Associate? Well, let's have a look at both of their skills outlines. And we'll see in the first section there is a huge similarity between the two. The only difference is protecting workbooks, worksheets, and cells. This is an additional topic for the MO-230 exam. Now, if I scroll down, we've got other similarities like creating dashboards and charts and creating loan amortization schedules. So both of these are in the MO-220 exam. We've also got ratios, which are spelled out a bit more in the MO-220 than they are in the MO-230. Also, both of them require you to use formula auditing. So what is the difference between them? I would say it is from the user's endpoint. Are they wanting to go into the accountancy field, bookkeeping, that sort of thing? Or are they wanting to go more into the financial analysis field? So the MO-230 goes deeper with analysing investments, for example, and applying financial projections. With the MO-220, you're doing things such as preparing a trial balance. So both of these use financial information. It's just how deeply do you go with some of these aspects. So this is the new MO-230 Microsoft exam. Are you interested in this? Why not let me know in the comments to this video? And if you want to know how to learn all of the requirements for this exam, then please watch this space. There may be a video on the end screen with more details. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. And why not subscribe and click that bell? That way you'll be notified of any new videos. If you're interested in the MO-220 Excel for Accounting, please have a look at the video on that subject on my channel. Let me know what you think about this certification in the comments. I really look forward to hearing from you. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thanks for watching and keep learning.